Today in this video, I'll discuss the syllabus and the structure of English question paper for class 10th for term 2. Listen very carefully. In section A, there is reading comprehension. There will be unseen reading comprehension and there will be 5 questions. Each question will be of 1 mark. It will not be multiple choice based. You have to write the answer on your own after reading the passage and finding the answer from the passage or comprehension. Then section B is from textbook part. First, English main course book excluding poetry. Only chapters excluding the poems. 3 questions out of 5. Total 5 questions will be given and you have to attempt any 3 out of those 5. Each question will be of 2 marks. Total 6 marks. Then there is supplementary reader 2 out of 4. There will be 4 questions and you have to give the answers of any 2. Each question will be of 2 marks. Then there is poetry part. English main course book, poetry with internal choice. It can be any central idea, only one, or stanza. Stanza, there will be 3 questions and you have to attempt any 2 out of those 3. One question will be of 1.5 marks, so total 3. If you attempt the central idea, it will be of 3 marks. But if you attempt the stanza portion, then one question will be of 1.5 marks each. Then vocabulary part, there are 2 topics. One is pairs of words generally confused and the other is idioms. So total 2 marks. Then section D, translation, grammar and composition part. There will be translation from English to Punjabi or Hindi. 3 sentences will be given and you have to attempt any 2. So 1 mark for 1 sentence, total 2 marks. Then vice versa, that is translation from Punjabi or Hindi to English. Here again 3 sentences will be given and you have to attempt any 2 out of these 3. 1 mark for 1 sentence, so total 2 marks. Then coming to grammar part, the topics are modals, sentence connectors means conjunctions, reported speech means narration, use of tenses and punctuation. So any 5 out of these. So you have to attempt 5. It will be of 5 marks. Then writing part, there is paragraph writing or note making, 4 marks. Then letter writing, it can be personal, business or official letter with internal choice. So it is of 5 marks and 2 marks will be given for good handwriting. Right? So the question paper is of 40 marks. Bifurcation is given according to this. Syllabus, I have already prepared one video for syllabus. Let us have a glimpse. Let us recapitulate it. In syllabus, first is reading skill, so unseen reading based comprehension. Then from main course book, the chapters are some glimpses of ancient Indian thought and practices. Then the homecoming. Then the making of the earth and the rule of the road. The poems are Razia the Tigress and Where the Mind is Without Fear. From supplementary reader, the chapters are The Dying Detective, How Much Land Does a Man Need, and Return to Air. Then vocabulary, pairs of words generally confused and idioms. From grammar, modals, sentence connectors, reported speech, use of tenses and punctuation. Then there is reading skills, paragraphs, letters, personal, business and official, and note making. For translation from English to Punjabi or Hindi, and translation from Punjabi or Hindi to English. Now, from chapters, the translation will be from English to Punjabi or Hindi. Sentences from these chapters, which we have already discussed above, translation will be given. Sentences in English will be given, and you have to translate them into Punjabi or Hindi. So these are the chapters from your book. Chapter number 5, some glimpses of ancient Indian thought and practices. These 10 sentences are given from the chapters. 10 from 5th chapter, 10 from 6th chapter, the homecoming, 10 sentences from chapter 7th, the making of the earth, and 10 sentences are from your chapter, the rule of the road. So total 40 sentences are from English to Punjabi or Hindi. Then for translation from Punjabi or Hindi to English, these sentences are given. So these are the sentences. So idiomatic sentences, proverbs, non-activity sentences, all these are included. Interrogative, exclamatory sentences, these are for your translation part. Then for practical part, now your question paper is of 40 marks. Besides this, there is one practical exam also, which will be listening and speaking skills based. It will be of 15 marks. Listening part will be of 9 marks and speaking part will be of 6 marks. For listening part, an audio will be played, and afterwards you will be asked some questions and you have to tell the answer. For this, in your workbook also, audio's listening skill part is given. And for speaking, you will be shown a picture and then you will be asked to speak some sentences. So for the listening test, students will be given a practice sheet containing 10 questions. They will answer all the 10 questions on the basis of an audio clip. Students will be assessed for any 9 correct answers. So out of 10, you have to give 9 correct answers, then you will be given 9 points. Then for speaking, students will be given a cue card or a picture. They will be asked to speak a few sentences and will be assessed on correct sentence structure, pronunciation and expression. So I hope that the syllabus and the structure of the question paper is clear to you now. So let us start preparing for term 2 now. All the best. Thank you.